What's up guys, and this is your clearest look to the Samsung Galaxy A60, which is having an Infinity O display on the left hand side. It's not like the Galaxy S10 which has an Infinity O on the right hand corner. But the best part is the camera cutout is as small as one found in the Galaxy S10. So this thing you should note, this is a flagship level design. And the chin is also small, smaller than the A50 I think. Looks nice. Now the interesting part is we also have the specifications for the same. It is coming with a 6.3 inches of LCD panel. So that's not Super AMOLED display you will get along with the A60. And I won't say that LCD is better than the Super AMOLED, but Samsung's LCD is definitely on par with the Super AMOLED ones. And that front facing shooter will equip a 32 megapixel camera sensor. So you will get the best selfie shooter along with the AR emojis and new features. So this is the front design and the specifications. Now let's take a look at the back panel. You guys know the Galaxy A60 will feature the Galaxy A8s like rear panel. And it looks great. There is rear facing fingerprint sensor and it's not gonna be an in-display one. That's fine cause A50 is not having the best FPS right now. It's slow and not accurate most of the time. The best part is Snapdragon 675 is confirmed. There's only two variants, that's 6/8 gigs of RAM along with 64/128 gigs of internal storage. Now we also have the rear facing camera specifications and that's 16+8+5 megapixel. The secondary is the wide angle lens while the third one is the depth sensor. That's nice, a combination of the display with Infinity O with the best cameras I think. And yeah, you are getting a slight downgrade in terms of the battery size as comparison to the Galaxy A50, and that's 3500 mAh. That's fine cause Samsung may provide you a 25-watt fast charging support just like the Galaxy A70. So that thing would be really appreciated. So that's all guys, the Samsung Galaxy A60 is coming really soon and the launch may happen 10th of April. That's just a few days to go. Really excited for this one. And the expected pricing is around $400. That's almost 25,000 Indian rupees. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.